What's going on, guys? Quincy here, aka Streams by Q, aka the Squid. I had to go it on and get that new phone, y'all. Man, I had this one for a good 2 years, over 2 years, and it was time for me to upgrade. So at that time when I first got this phone, to be honest with you guys, I didn't have credit. I was making some money, but I didn't have credit. So that was one thing. It stopped me from getting ready to get the phone in my name or anything like that. So I went head on, you know what I'm saying? I had to call them because now I'm more established. I got things going on. And yeah, I went it on and called them, and I got the account switched over to my name. And I was able to go it on and upgrade my phone as well. So of course I went head on and did that. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys look at the case real quick. It's nothing on this side. They got some stuff on the bottom, right here. They got this side, says Galaxy S21 5G. I don't have the 5G, but this is the S21 Plus. And at the bottom on this side here is my actual information, so I'm not going to show that. I've already opened up the little tabs, so I didn't have to go through this, but it seems like I'm going to have to go through this anyways, Just go through this anyways, you feel me? Yeah, this is my first look at the phone as well. As you guys, not too sure if you watched other videos already, but yeah, we're gonna go on and take this off. This is the first look at the phone. There's nothing on here, so just gonna leave this up here actually. And to be honest, you guys see my phone there. Now, the one thing about this phone is that I should be showing that. You guys can see me. But yeah, man, this phone is looking epic, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know how to act no more, man. You know what I'm saying, man? So we're gonna go on and sit this up here, obviously. Set that up there real quick. I'm doing all of this one-handed here. I don't have a tripod. What I've noticed too, recently is that they've not been putting a phone's adapter, the charging adapter in here. So inside of this is more likely just a, let me see how to open this. I don't want to rip anything because usually I try to keep these boxes in case I ever want to return something. Okay. I've got it opened up, and as I was telling you guys, that's it right there. It's just some Samsung Care, whatever this thing is here. I guess this is the manual to kind of show what happens with the phone, all of that stuff. Some more Samsung Care stuff, which I'm not necessarily interested in. This charger cord looks like it's gonna be small. But yeah, man, this is the phone here, man. This is the phone here, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Sit this in here real quick so y'all can just observe it, observe that nice beautiful phone. Obviously my favorite part is, yeah, man, let me make sure I'm not showing too much information here. Yeah, maybe not, maybe shouldn't have been showing the that little tape thing there, because that's actually looking like it's some information of my phone. So I'm gonna make sure to cut that out of the video. But yeah, man, look, thank you guys for watching this nice old video. I'm not that experienced at all of these unboxing videos, but I have put up quite a few here on YouTube, and they done pretty well. Actually made a mistake and showed the IMEI ID and of my phone, and I'm gonna make sure to clip that out because I'm gonna make sure you guys don't do that, because people can actually hack into that information and use your phone as their phone. So just saying, y'all don't share your IMEI address. I've seen that on some spy television shows. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe on my nice channel, and I'll see y'all yesterday. What is going on, guys? Quincy here, second part of the video. That first one was low-key kind of a fail because I didn't realize that they were gonna put a sticker on the back of the phone with an IEMI code, and basically on the spy show, what I had seen is that people can hack your phone like that. So I definitely didn't want that on my phone. But here is the phone for you guys to look at. I've been using it about let me see, what time is it right now. It's 9:58 a.m. So I've been using it for a good few hours. I had a problem with trying to switch the phone over, the phone number and all that over, but I finally had figured it out. And yeah, man, this is my Twitter for you guys to check out. I do daily giveaways on it. Currently have a $100 giveaway up right now. That was the first tweet that you guys have seen right up top there. And yeah, man, you guys might want to make sure you go check me out on Twitter, because that is definitely, I do giveaways every day over there. I've given away over $44,000. And yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope y'all have a great day. And yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, this phone is epic.